How to block someone on Sweatcoin app. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. Launch your Sweatcoin application on your phone. Here we go. Now at the bottom you can see various options. Now from there just tap on this button right here. Now over here you can see your added friends if you have any. You can also add your friends through various social media platforms and even by adding your contacts. Now if you don't have any friends at the moment, just go to the search bar right here and then type the username of the person you want to block. Okay, now tap on the person's profile that you want to block. Okay, here we go. Now at the top right corner you can see 3 dots. Just tap on it. Now over here you can see the option of block. Right here, just tap on it. Now you can see that you have blocked this person. So by following these easy steps, you can block someone on Sweatcoin app. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.